And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, 5 firearms, including 1 high-powered weapon and 5 rounds of ammunition, 35 rounds of ammunition that should be, were seized in Norwood, St. James as the police ramp up activities under the Zone of Special Operations.
Now, while serious crimes have been down in the community over the past year, the police say it is alarming that 7 guns have now been seized in the community in less than 4 weeks.
Now, Kelisha Williams has our story.
A heavy contingent of soldiers and police in Norwood, St. James Monday morning. Scenes which have become familiar for residents over the past few years, with the community declared a zone of special operation. However, activities were ramped up Monday morning on the heels of a major gun bust on Sunday in a section of the community called Walter Drive.
During that operation, we were able to seize 5 illegal firearms, to include 1 Intratec submachine gun and 4 pistols. 1 man has been apprehended. He is Akeem Brown, OC Pal. He is an habitual member of the criminal underworld who resides within that particular space.
35 rounds of ammunition were also a part of the seizure. Joint Commander of the Zones of Special Operation in St. James, DSP Kiba Sims, told our news team that Sunday's find was the 7th weapon seized in the community in about 4 weeks.
The other 2 were actually seized in close proximity to where this last find was made. And this, in my estimation, underscores the presence of other illegal firearms within the space. There's no doubt about it. And so we remain very much committed, very much focused in trying to rid the space of these illegal firearms.
That aside, he explained there has been a significant decline in murders and shootings in the community since 2024. It came after 8 murders were recorded in Norwood in 2023 and several other fatal shootings between 2021 and 2022. This
is really and truly one of the highlights of the Zone of Special Operation. The areas have been very, very much peaceful. And so I want to pause in commending not only the security forces, inclusive of the military, but also the residents who have given of themselves in a general way over the last 3 years in cooperating with us.
However, residents with information on the criminal elements in the community are still being advised to report suspicious incidents to the police. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
The police have launched